In today's health-conscious world, ensuring your salads are clean and crisp is essential for a nutritious meal. The best salad spinners not only remove excess water efficiently, but also help preserve the freshness of your greens. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the top 5 salad spinners that you need, ensuring your salads are always at their best. Stay tuned and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. This salad spinner offers easy, one-handed operation with its patented pump mechanism and brake button, making it a breeze to dry your greens. The soft, non-slip knob locks down for storage, while a non-slip ring and wide base keep the bowl steady on the countertop. The elegant, clear bowl is not only perfect for serving, but also doubles as a colander when needed. The clear, flat lid allows for convenient stacking when not in use, and it disassembles easily for cleaning. Plus, all parts are top-rack dishwasher safe and BPA-free, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. However, some users have reported that the grip on the bottom may discolor over time, and due to its size, it may be bulky to store in smaller kitchens. There you have it, the OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner, a versatile and efficient tool for your kitchen. If you're interested in adding one to your culinary arsenal, check out the link in the description below. Happy spinning! Number 2. Zyliss Swift Dry Salad Spin. This salad spinner is designed for maximum efficiency, with aqua and air vents in the colander and lid to ensure thorough air and water release. Fluffing produce has never been easier, thanks to the one-handed, fast pump and quick break spinner. The non-slip bowl provides stability and doubles as a salad shaker bowl for added convenience. The handle locks down for easy and stackable storage, making this spinner a convenient addition to any kitchen. Plus, as part of the Zyliss kitchen accessories line, it's favored by everyday cooks and gourmet chefs alike. Surprisingly, we couldn't find any cons of this product. It seems to excel in every aspect of salad preparation. There you have it, the Zyliss Swift Dry Salad Spinner, a reliable and efficient tool for your kitchen. If you're interested in adding one to your culinary arsenal, check out the link in the description below. Happy spinning! Number 3. Farberware Pump Salad Spin. This Pro Pump Salad Spinner makes it a breeze to prepare nutritious foods every night of the week. Its large capacity helps you clean and serve salad greens, fruits, and even berries in seconds. More than just a salad spinner, this versatile tool allows you to use the basket separately as a colander, while the clear plastic bowl doubles as a large salad or mixing bowl. With a generous capacity of 6.65 quarts for the bowl and 5.25 quarts for the basket, you can easily prepare enough food to feed your entire family. Engineered for one-handed operation, simply push down on the spinner mechanism to begin and tap the brake button when done. However, some users may find it bulky compared to other salad spinners on the market. There you have it, the Farberware Pump Salad Spinner, a convenient and efficient tool for your kitchen. If you're interested in adding one to your culinary arsenal, check out the link in the description below. Happy spinning! Number 4. Progressive International Salad Spinner. This salad spinner's patented design has made it a customer favorite, with its unique collapsible feature, making storage a breeze. The internal basket and external bowl collapse to almost half the expanded size, saving valuable space in your kitchen. The non-skid base ensures stability and easy spinning, while the outer bowl can also double as a serving dish for added convenience. With a capacity of 3 quarts, 3.3 liters, you can spin your salad and then serve it directly in the outer bowl. Plus, this item is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. However, some users have reported that it takes longer to dry greens compared to other salad spinners on the market. Additionally, the base may not be as stable as some users would prefer. There you have it, the Progressive International Salad Spinner, a convenient and space-saving solution for your kitchen. If you're interested in adding one to your culinary arsenal, check out the link in the description below. Happy spinning! Number 5. OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Salad Spinner. This stainless steel salad spinner is designed to dry lettuce quickly, efficiently, and effortlessly, making salad preparation a breeze. The non-slip pump makes it easy to use with just one hand, while the built-in brake allows you to stop the spinning instantly. The basket doubles as a colander, and the stainless steel bowl can be used for serving, adding versatility to your kitchen. The lid comes apart for easy and thorough cleaning, ensuring hygiene and maintenance are hassle-free. Surprisingly, it hasn't been possible to find any drawbacks of this product. It seems to excel in every aspect of salad preparation. There you have it, the OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Salad Spinner, a reliable and efficient tool for your kitchen. If you're interested in adding one to your culinary arsenal, check out the link in the description below. Happy spinning! Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Let us know which product review you like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thump this video up and share it with your friends. That's all for now.